What percentage of Côte de Rhone vineyards are farmed organically? Is it 5%, 9%, 11%, or is it 12%? So what percent of Côte de Rhone vineyards are farmed organically? I will say it's very easy to grow grapes organically in the beautiful, bright, sunny climate, the Mediterranean climate that you have here in the southern Rhone.
Okay, a range of answers again, but most people landing on D, 12%, and then some votes for the other categories as well.
Well, there you go. It is 12%, and it has been increasing over the years. This number is as of 2019. We go back a couple of years from that, it was at 10%. So it is increasing. And you can see on this little chart here how the number of organically farmed uh, farms there are, how many acres are devoted to organic, how many are in transition. It takes 3 years before you can actually be officially recognized. So you can see some of those regions are coming on board in the near future. So this number will grow in the years to come. And again, it's a wonderful place to grow grapes organically because of the Mistral, which helps to dry out the grapes if there's humidity. And also overall, you've got a nice, warm, sunny climate. I think it's time that maybe we don't have a glass of wine. Maybe it's a little early in the day for some of you, but if you did have a glass of wine, what would this wine be? I'll describe this wine as having a medium gold color with pronounced aromas of white flowers, orange blossom, apricot, and peach. On the palate, it has also pronounced flavors that are similar to what you find on the nose. It also has a full body, high alcohol, medium acidity, but has a beautiful, long, lingering finish. So, is this wine a Chateauneuf du Pape Blanc? Is it a Condrieu? Is it a Côte de Rhone Blanc? Or is it an Hermitage Blanc? If you had a glass of that. Okay. And the answer is Christian. I'm kind of looking on the side. I see some A's, I see some B's.
Yeah, we have A's and B's as battling back and forth. So
No D's.
uh, no D's, no D's.
Okay. Well, it is indeed a Condrieu. As you can see in the picture, that's actually the Gigal La Doriane Condrieu, which is amazing if you ever get a chance to try that wine. It's lush, it's rich, it's mouth filling, and it's got just that wonderful aromatic nose, floral and stone fruit character. Acidity is not particularly high with Viognier, so um, best to drink these wines young. Most people don't age them for any particular long period of time. They'll hold up over 3 to 5 years, but capture the aromas while they're still young and fresh on the nose.